I'm getting to shoot another very interesting property today, which is actually going to be very difficult to actually do a floor plan that makes any sense. So I'm going to show you around it. It's technically a 2-bedroom, massive property in a very prestigious part of Edinburgh. It's part of what used to be a big townhouse. It's just one, well, I say one floor. It's 2 floors, but there's 6 stairs in it. So let's have a look. So at the moment, it looked like the owner was going to do some, maybe add in a kitchen or do something. So there's bits which aren't totally finished. But check out the ceiling. Very nice ceiling and cornicing. The paper lanterns, not quite in keeping with the theme of the ceiling there. Also, even just the wallpaper, it's kind of a velvet feel to it. Interesting. All this stuff is hundreds of years old, like proper, super old here. But even so, the floor is in surprisingly good condition for potentially its age here. Okay, so at the entrance door, we've got stained glass windows. Check out these. Look at that. Don't get that on modern houses today. And entrance hall, all looking cool. So here's where it gets really difficult to make a floor plan that makes sense, is what we could decide. So as we come out in the hall, we've got a little bit of wall decoration there, really old fashioned. And then ready for it, the really lots of stairs. What is going on here? That's my internal photo. How am I doing a floor plan of it? Not only is it stair, 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 and stair, there's another one through there. There's also like an internal window, like an actual bay, like a high up bay window from the drawing room, as it were. So downstairs set number 1, and then we've got stair set number 2. We've got a hall cupboard there, and then here, which could be a bedroom, but what would be pretty cool is if you turned this into a massive kitchen. What would you do? I think this would actually be good as a bedroom because it's quiet. You're out to the quiet side, there's no road noise. You just got the view of somebody else's garden downstairs, so you don't have access to your garden there. But yeah, nice big bedroom in here. Maybe move that radiator so you can actually stick the bed here. Check out what's the buzzer? Wonder what that does. Maybe that set off something. And then, strangely, from there, so we've done 2 steps, about to go up a 3rd step into what is currently just now a kitchen. This, so you've got your boiler, all your plumbing, everything in here. Maybe turn this. So this is currently the kitchen. Again, all that stuff that you saw in the room in there, that's units for turning into a kitchen, whether it's to do in here, got the old fireplace in there, or would it be better to turn this into a smaller bedroom? Bedroom number 2, maybe block that off as a walk-in wardrobe, walk-in cupboard there for the bedroom in here. And you've got this bedroom with a window out to there. You've got a curtain rail going on there. Okay, so, and then, so that's 3 up, flight number 4, then 5, back into, so if you've got kids, and your kids like running around the house, this is brilliant. You can literally run around, do figures of 8s, all like having a game of chase and tig in this house would be so much fun if you've got kids. And then up, stair flight number 6, up to here. And again, more wall decorations, more wall decorations. Yeah, just imagine if you're a kid, you could be like throwing your little action men over the wall here. Great fun. Haven't actually checked up here. Wardrobe space, and then another big bedroom up here. Yeah, so yeah, this is bedroom, definitely bedroom material. Got your low level wardrobe in there, and just an Edinburgh Press in there. Your view out to the garden. Nice quiet room. You're not disturbing anybody. Again, lovely cornicing in here. And have we got not ensuite, but an actual, is there a bathroom or is it shower room? Bath, bidet, more stained glass windows, toilet there, massive mirror. So yeah, you probably still keep this as a bathroom, maybe even turn it onto an ensuite, if you're allowed to do that. What was this? A utility room of some sort. You've got your water tank up there, more water tanks and your washing machine. But then, yeah, I think if you had the cash to buy this place and you had the money to renovate it up, I think that's just so cool. All the stairs. Look at the parallax as we walk around. Turning this into an awesome, put the kitchen, close that door, then you lose the running around with kids. Kitchen here, island here, sitting room here, you're getting the sunshine in, sofa there, maybe a desk here, so you've got that view. Looking, it might be too bright actually because the sun is beating in. But this would be a very, it's so big, there's an echo. You know your house is big when you've got an echo. Not in your house, just in a room. It's so big. But yeah, very, very interesting and just interesting challenge on the floor plan. Not great if you're got some mobility issues and you need to get anywhere in the house with all the stairs, but they're actually pretty small stairs. And I just think, yeah, kids would love this. Or at least my kids would love this. It'd be great. If I had the cash and I knew I could get the planning permission to develop it as I wanted, this could be very, very lovely, extra low. And this is what I don't understand. There's so many internal windows, almost like it was separated into two separate houses. Like, that is so unusual. So unusual. But very cool. Stained glass, 6 stairs, 6 flights of stairs, and a layout that is just ripe for development. So, yeah, there you go. Just thought I'd show you one of the more interesting, more cool ones, more potential ones that I get to shoot all the time as well. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.